afternoon, viewers. My name is Zimbabwe. I am a presenter from Citizens Legal TV. Today I have with me Mr. Mahaso. He will be discussing with us about Zimbabwe legal system. He's going to help us and make us understand. Mr. Mahaso.
Thank you, Rutendo. The Zimbabwe legal system is made up of courts of law from as low down as the village court. From there we go to the magistrate court. From the magistrate court we go to the high court. From the high court we go to the Supreme Court. From the Supreme Court we go to the Constitutional Court. The Constitutional Court is the highest court in the land. It is both a court of first instance and a court of appeal, usually only in constitutional issues. The village court is also called the chief's court, whereby matters that arise within given communities are presided over, are resolved by the chief. The chief is the presiding officer. Then at the magistrate court, the presiding officer is a duly attested magistrate, one who has been trained in handling or solving disputes that arise. Normally, magistrates are limited to cases involving small amounts of money, up to about $10,000 and below, right? Anything above $10,000 must be referred to the High Court, where the judges, with their level of expertise, can be able to resolve those disputes. If there is anybody who is aggrieved by the decision of the chief, that person can take that matter to the magistrate on appeal, right? Whatever decision is made by the magistrate can be able to change or alter the decision of the chief. And if anybody is aggrieved by the decision of the magistrate, that decision can be taken to the High Court. The judges have got power to alter the decision or change the decision of the or made by the magistrate. If anybody is not happy with the decision of the High Court judge, that person is free to take that decision to the Supreme Court of Appeal in Zimbabwe, right? The judges at the Supreme Court of Appeal will alter or set aside or change the decision of the High Court judge. But bear in mind that all these alterations or changes that can be made by a court of appeal must be made within the law. The appeal presiding officers are not allowed to use their own thinking, their own brains, their own intelligence outside the law to change the decisions made by the lower courts. That is the Zimbabwean legal system that we have. It is made up of courts of law which are presided over by selected people or selected officers who are specifically trained to preside over certain kinds of disputes that arise within society.
All right, thank you, Mr. Mahaso. There you are, viewers.